how to add a Starlock attachment to your DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. Now this is the standard attachment now that you'll use with your DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool. So easy to add, just add it like that and it's added and ready to go. However, if you like most people and you have the Starlock full in your toolbox like this, you've got loads of different attachments. This is just a cutting blade. However, it'll work with any Starlock attachment. So what we need to do is go to the DeWalt multi-tool box. If you bought it brand new, you can buy these separate and I'll leave a link in the description if yours didn't come with it. It's this section here and this screw here with this attachment. First you want to add this, and it can only go one way like that. Make sure it's flat on your multi-tool. Then you want to get your Starlock, position it, then get your screw, oops, tighten it down. You can start off by hand, until you feel a little resistance, like there. Then you want to get an Allen key, which fits. This does come in the box if you bought it from DeWalt, and you want to tighten it up like that, and there you go. You'll have attached your Starlock attachment to your DeWalt Oscillating Multi-Tool, and this works with any attachment. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.